The big news coming in ahead of the 1 p.m. hearing in the Rajasthan High Court. A new petition has now been presented by Sachin Pilot's faction, saying that he is raising his voice and not doing anti-party activities. Here we're getting reactions coming in from Sachin Pilot's camp, saying that Sachin Pilot has not indulged in anti-party activities. All he's done is raised his voice against the party. In fact, this comes right ahead of the 1 p.m. hearing in the Rajasthan High Court. A new petition has now been presented by Sachin Pilot's faction, saying that he only raised his voice and not indulged in anti-party activities there. Dev Ankur, coming back to you, Dev. Here is a petition, in fact, right ahead of the 1 p.m. hearing in the Rajasthan High Court. A petition now has been presented by Sachin Pilot's faction, saying that he's just raised his voice against the party. He hasn't indulged in anti-party activities. This has been the stance of Sachin Pilot also all along.
Well, clearly, so far, Sachin Pilot had maintained this in his off-camera, record, or perhaps off-the-record conversations with several people, or off-camera conversations. But this is for the first time that Sachin Pilot, through a lawyer in a court of law, has mentioned that the allegation that Sachin Pilot was trying to topple the Rajasthan government is not accurate, that he was trying to stay within the party and raise his voice against what he believed was not just, and changes that he wanted within the party. So he's clearly negating what Ashok Gehlot has been claiming, that Sachin Pilot, while he was the PCC chief and the deputy CM, was involved in anti-party activities, that he was hobnobbing with the BJP, that he was trying to engineer defections along with the rebel MLAs so that the Rajasthan's elected government is toppled. But so far, Sachin Pilot has not made a public appearance with these kind of statements. But whether he has tried to communicate this to the party high command is something which, Sachin Pilot knows and the party high command knows. But so far, Gehlot has been extremely vehement, Nabila, in his statements, mentioning that there is audio proof, that there is a proof of a deal that was about to struck for 20 crore rupees, and that Sachin Pilot was involved in all of this. In fact, Gehlot has mentioned that all of this was going on for last 6 months, that these defections could have been engineered last month itself, before the Rajya Sabha elections, if the Rajasthan government would not have been alert enough to try to prevent that. So clearly, Pilot has refuted all of these allegations. How the Rajasthan government responds to that is something which time can tell.
Absolutely, Dev. Here we're looking at a latest petition there, right ahead of 1 p.m. hearing. Sachin Pilot's camp sticking to their stance, saying that all that they did was raise their voice against the party and the happenings within the party. They did not indulge in anti-party activities. This comes even at a time when the Congress is pulling out several audio clippings to try and prove the fact that several of those members within the Pilot camp have been in cahoots with the BJP, naming BJP central leader Gajendra Shekhawat as well, to try and bribe MLAs within the Congress in Rajasthan, attempting to topple the Gehlot government.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.